How to add WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon. Now click on edit profile. Now tap on add link. Now tap on add external link. Now type on URL. Now type wa.me slash your phone number and tap on done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.